Bus route, demystified. Travel English essentials. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the term, bus route. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of what it means and how to use it in daily English conversations. So, whether you're traveling, studying, or just curious, let's get started. Remember, language is the key to understanding different cultures and experiences. Bus route is a combination of two words, bus and route. Bus, a large motor vehicle that carries passengers, especially one that runs on a regular route and is used by the public. Route, a way or course taken to get from a starting point to a destination. When we put these two words together, bus route refers to the specific path or series of roads that a bus takes to reach its destination from its starting point. Imagine you're in a new city, and you want to travel from point A to point B using public transportation. Knowing the bus route can help you. 1. Understand where the bus is going. 2. Determine if it passes through or near your destination. 3. Plan your journey and know where to get off. 4. Save time and avoid getting lost. It's crucial for travelers, students, or anyone using public transportation to be familiar with the term and concept of bus route. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few sentences using bus route. 1. Can you tell me if this bus route goes to the city center? 2. I'm new here, and I'm trying to figure out the best bus route to get to the university. 3. They changed the bus route due to construction on Main Street. 4. Always check the bus route map before planning your journey. By using it in conversations, you'll not only practice the term but also make your travels smoother. And there you have it. Bus route, a simple yet essential term for anyone using public transportation or traveling to English-speaking regions. We hope this video clarified the term for you. Remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the language. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.